This looks like classic Photoshop work, right? Smooth skin, clean edges, everything fixed, but honestly none of this came from Photoshop. Have you ever taken a portrait and felt something just isn't right? Maybe it's a few blemishes, dark circles, stray hairs, or wrinkles that just ruin the shot. And no matter how much you try in Photoshop, it takes forever to fix everything. That's why I use Kumoo AI. It sees all the small problems and fixes them naturally. Skin, face shape, eyes, lips, hairs, even distraction in the background. It handles it all. And today I'll show you how one portrait can go from messy to flawless without over editing or looking fake. To download the software, just open your browser and go to Kumoo.ai. Then head over to the desktop tool section and download the Kumoo AI app for either Windows or Mac, whichever you are using. So let's open the Kumoo AI. Here's the homepage, super clean. You can upload a single image or just drop in the whole folder. Let me import a folder real quick. As you can see, the interface is simple, tools on the right, imported image at the bottom. I've got this beautiful portrait here, but I want some skin retouching and full refinement. So let's jump into the retouch menu, choose woman, go to remove blemishes and just drag the acne slider and boom, acne gone. Do the same for the body and that's gone too. Drag the body blemishes slider and it disappears like magic. Now I'm gonna remove dark circles, the eye wrinkles, the lip line, neck wrinkles, and finally accessory breast. All the imperfections gone. Now move to the skin section. Let's enhance the skin with leveling and contour. Then widen it a little. And there is this amazing feature to balance the skin tone across the whole face and body skin, perfect for uneven skin tones. Then you can even choose your skin tone. I'll pick tan and just lower the intensity. And there you go. Look at the before and after. It already looks insane. Just imagine doing all this manually. Hours gone. But we are not done yet. Scroll down to the plump section. Under smooth and lift, select mouth, increase intensity, instantly more beautiful. Then go to plump again, pick forehead, increase intensity. Now head to the face section, go to shape and enhance the V-shape. Now I want to reduce the left jawline only, so I will unlink it from the right side. Now the hair section. Simply drag the slider to fix the stray hair. Then let's change the hair color. And it looks amazing now. Next, eyes. Increase brightness, remove redness, and in the cast light I'm choosing autumn. Look at that, before and after, it hits different. After that, into the makeup section. Enhance eyebrows and shadows. Then in the lip gloss, I'll choose an orange gloss and increase the intensity. And finally the body shape section. Let's increase the elegant neck and look at the differences. The photo looks absolutely stunning now, with almost no effort at all. Now let me show you all the mind-blowing features real quick. So I've got this picture and I want to remove the glasses glare. Super simple, go to Retouch menu, open the eyes section, drag the glasses glare slider to the left, and it's gone. Let's increase the brightness, and I'm gonna apply a cast light. After that, go to the plump section, select eyes lift and eyes smooth. Then I'm gonna do a little skin retouching. As you can see, the lips are dry and kinda ugly. So let me show you this amazing feature. Just go to blemishes removal section and drag the lip line slider all the way to the right, and boom, clean, smooth lips instantly. Now look at the before and after. Man, this is beyond extraordinary. So my client sent me this picture and she wanted the braces removed. And honestly, it took me one click. Just go to teeth section, turn on straighten teeth, and that's it, gone. For a picture with two people, just open single face section. Now I'm gonna select her and fix the teeth. This feature is crazy, you can edit each person separately with zero hassle. Let me show you another insane feature. If your photo has wrinkles on the clothes, messing up the whole look, just go to the clothes section, drag the remove wrinkles slider all the way to the right, and it disappears like it was never even there. Sometimes you get the perfect shot, but there is always that one distraction, light, tripod, or some random object in the back. To fix that, go to background, open Retouch, switch on remove imperfections, and boom, it's gone. Okay, now I have got another picture, and this one has the entire background ruining it. But no stress, in the background menu, open AI cutout, and with literally one click, you can remove the whole background or replace it with anything you want. You have got two people in the photo, and you can apply the same retouch to both, different color tones, different skin, different everything. That's where the single face feature becomes a lifesaver. You can edit each person separately. And that's what makes Kumoo AI way ahead of any other tool out there. Finally, let's talk about editing a family photo. So I've got this picture of a beautiful family and I want to do skin retouching for each person. I don't want to go one by one, that would take forever. And for that exact problem, there's a feature. Just click this link icon, choose what you want to link. I'll select man, woman and children. Then click OK and everything gets linked automatically. Now if you look closely, you'll notice two people in the photo are slightly blurred. This is common camera issue, but let's fix it. First I'll remove the dark circles and neck wrinkles. Then drag the face defocus repair slider all the way to the right. And as you can see, it fixes the blur instantly. And now I'm gonna add some screen retouching and a few other tricks. And there you go. The whole photo looks so much more beautiful now. And there it is. Everything that was bothering you fixed in minutes. Whether it's a single portrait, a couple, or even family photo, Kumoo AI makes the editing process simple, fast, and natural. No wasted hours, no random adjustments. Just smart fixes that make your photo look like they were professionally retouched. And if you wanna try this tool, check the description of this video.